Hello guys, welcome to Kashipara website. Today we are going to run online bus ticket booking website project. As you can scroll down little, you can see this is the project ID. You can search by this in our website. Little lower you can find the options to download the source code, which is not more than 50 MB, and project documentation also. Go to the XAMPP installation website, where you can find the installation files for different operating system. Choose based on your operating system. I have already installed XAMPP on laptop. Let's go the downloaded project file folder. Extract the source code zip files into separate folder. Open the online bus ticket booking folder and you can find all the PHP files and online bus ticket booking system.sql database file also here. Now copy the whole online bus ticket booking folder to the XAMPP folder which was created during installation and go to Hide Docs and paste the file there. Now half of our work is completed and you can see the online bus ticket booking.sql file at the most important file. Now we need to go the start menu and run the XAMPP control panel using the admin rights and start both Apache and MySQL and make sure they are started successfully. Now open the Google Chrome and go to the PHP MyAdmin panel and click on the new and add the database to the MySQL server. Now first we need to create the database in the name of the online bus ticket booking, and our online bus ticket booking.sql need to be uploaded here. Click on create. Next you need to upload the database.sql file to our online bus ticket booking database from the online bus ticket booking folder, which is located in the Hide Docs/online bus ticket booking/online database.sql. As it takes time to upload the database to the MySQL server based on the size. Great here. As you can see 39 queries were successfully uploaded. Now go the new tab and move to the location localhost index and you can find the online bus ticket booking folder and click on it. Hooray, you can see our website is live and running seamlessly. Now this is the online bus ticket booking website project created using the PHP in a simple way. When you click on book now it moves to the login panel, and if new user can create registration by using email username and password. Enter step by step. Pop-up message occurs displaying success in registration and click on login by using the email ID and password created there. Now when you click on book ticket you will find the data and place of destination. Next when you click on the manage schedule you can find the arrival and departure of the buses in that particular bus station with timings. Next manage company will display the each bus company details and their logos and videos of bus interior and exterior. When you click on booking list you can find the customer bookings, cancellations. Next you can simply log out of the website by clicking on log out for security reasons. Kashipara is the hub for the all programmers and the students. This is all about the online bus ticket booking website project using the PHP. You can view project working video by clicking watch demo video. You can also join our YouTube channel Kashipara. Please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.